welcome to the channel. I'm late. That's, I don't know, autistic me or lazy me. Today was a hard day and well, Red Bull doesn't solve all of your problems, unfortunately. I wish it did. I wish it was that easy, but it doesn't. So let me just quickly check. Let me just quickly check how is it going in terms of my channel, so I can at least see the chart and stuff, because, well, okay, so hello everybody. Okay, oh, that's my alarm, of course, and yeah, so let's see if there's anybody, but most probably there's nobody listening right now, but that's okay. That's okay. What else would you expect when you just start, right? So what is the point of this thing today? The point is that there's this quite interesting hackathon from rural sourcing, this one, and well, so tomorrow we will start, and we already have an idea to implement. Well, it's not exactly to implement, but at least we would like to coin it, and maybe after this hackathon, we'll find somebody who can implement it. Because, for example, our team doesn't have a UI designer, so let's see how it goes. So my idea was that first, first of all, let's do it. My idea was that so we need to develop something to demo at the end, and from what I know is that the topic will be well, basically we need to create something good for people. Oh, and actually let me share it with my friends. Okay, let me just quickly share it with my friends. Like to know more about okay, so how do they call it? Preparing openly for life. Okay, the thing is that so why am I writing this thing? It's because, well, I want to inspire people to share and to learn and so on, because well, that's the way to go, and people go much further, and it's better when we do it together. So and ask questions, or even better, let's support each the car and the hackathons to come. So yeah. Okay, so maybe it will inspire. Oh, I didn't click this thing. Not good. That's okay. So the idea is that first I wanted to go through this. The idea is that first I wanted to go through this, through the project itself, of course, and then, oh, somebody left a like. Thank you very much, friend. Like, appreciate it. Thank you for the second like. Oh, this is, yeah, it's interesting. So, yeah, let's see. So, let's see what we can, because the thing is that I don't exactly know what will be happening on Thursday evening, but what I do know is that rural sourcing is, I think it's not the first hackathon, so I wanted to probably learn a little bit more from this stuff beforehand. So because, well, in my team I'm probably the most senior person, and especially with this open source artistic superpower of mine, so I'm probably the only one. Not probably, I am the only one, so I know most. So they will be looking up to me. So I need to deliver, I need to support my team, and I need to support, because the idea is that we have an app, we have an idea of an app. Well, it, today with Yaroslav and Paul, I think, or Paula, we discussed something for homeless people. But the thing is that even if we don't, our goal is not to succeed with the app at the hackathon and get those amazing prizes. Our goal is to make sure that if our idea is needed and it's not implemented, then we'll go all around the place and we'll find somebody, we'll try to find somebody who can make this app happen if we cannot make it happen. So maybe another hackathon, and we'll go and offer people the idea that, well, you know, there's this opportunity and let's just do it. So something like this. Now, so they are telling us about this team size and so on. And let me see, probably there's some sound from somewhere. Oh, of course, that's my own voice. Yeah, that's funny. So yeah, let's see what we can do. So GitHub, that stuff we already have. Okay. Yeah, call OK is an option. Zoom and Slack, that we know. Oh, this is good. This is good. So maybe, just maybe, they will give us like more specific ideas to implement. So maybe even we won't be implementing our idea. Maybe we'll be, we'll have a task to do. Yes. Oh, there's a. I just need to write. There's a group called Open Source for Ukraine, and yeah, but just the group is just trying to help people who are currently in Ukraine in this terrible situation. And there was a hackathon coming with prizes. And which one? Oh, it was MongoDB hackathon. So if we go here, MongoDB hackathon, all right, and then this one. So I'll just quickly write to the people that let me see this thing. Okay, so yeah, am I like this? Yeah, that will be very good. So hello friends, you might be interested in participating in this sorry, for God's sake, that's delete. That's not the one. That's not the one. I think there was another one. Let me see. There was another one. I really want to find it. MongoDB. I'm quite sure it was MongoDB. Yeah. MongoDB and Atlas. Atlas. 1 second. Seriously. Let me find it. Yep. Is that better? So they say it's this one. So let's see. Because I'm not like fully sure that that's the one. Oh, they have Atlas, so it's more than database. So this one. Okay, so we'll just help people this way. Okay. That might be an interesting hackathon participate. Yeah, so yeah, and yeah, people are quite positive about all this stuff. Now, let's see. So this stuff is interesting. So that one I've actually already seen. I think they only employ in states, because what they're trying to do, they're trying to employ local people, because, well, because they have reasons, and I cannot say these reasons are wrong, because, well, if you move all your jobs to another country, then that's not the way to go. So yeah. Now what I want to do is that if we get this, because I think there was a hackathon both from Women Who Code and from this okay, and this group. So we will go here and role sourcing, right? And this is interesting. Yeah, so that's about us. That's not as interesting, but this one is, let's check when was the article created. Oh, that's interesting. So jQuery Mobile was an app they mentioned. Okay. So I'm not sure when it was done. That would be really helpful. Is so that's November 2022. That's October. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Anyway, so what did they do? So they use something called jQuery Mobile, right? Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Demos. Well, just by the look of devices, I'm not sure if that's a very modern framework. Not really. If we go to their GitHub, let's see. The repos are not very alive. Not good. But that's fine. Now, what we wanted to actually do was this hackathon rural sourcing, right? So what we're doing now, we're just checking the information, how they were doing it before. Women who code hackathon, we can do that, right? Okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah, sorry, I was just checking. I was helping somebody. Not somebody, I was helping friends. As long as you care about something good, we are friends. You can be helping people, helping homeless people. You can be helping. So especially if you, if you help people from underserved groups, for example, I don't know, women, transsexuals. It depends really on the area. For example, currently in IT, it's still not diverse, at least not diverse enough. You can, for example, in some companies, the percentage of black people is very low, and the higher you go, so yeah, I won't even start to do that, but well, there's a lot to be improved. So yeah, so as long as you care in sharing and helping people, I care for you. And if you don't care of sharing others, it doesn't mean I don't care for you, but I prioritize helping those who help others, because it's like helping forward. So now, this one is hackathon for social good. Yeah, that's the one I actually found before. So, oh, sorry, my back is. I really need to start doing some sports, friends, because otherwise I'll kill my health. Now. Okay, let's see. So that's kickoff, that's good. That's good. Let's see what is there. And by the way, it's not, I don't see it as like a cheating or something, because I'm only using stuff which is open, and I don't personally know anybody who's, at least I'm not aware of people I know who is running this stuff. So anybody can go and watch the stream even now and learn from me. So now, I got one more like. Thank you, friends. There's one more like. Thank you for the third like. So, this is good. This is nice. So I'm not sure, like, if people. I think people should be allowed to. Friends, I think you can comment, but you need to subscribe. I think that was the trick. That was the trick for this thing. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can change it now, but yeah, let me see. You can DM me in Telegram, in Twitter. It's my just DM me. Hide. No. DM me So let me actually try to modify this stuff, because like really I don't, the last thing I want is to is for people not to be able to comment. So let me see where is the comment session here. Customization. Okay. Oh, subscribers. Yeah, I've changed it to subscribers now. Hopefully now you will be able to sorry, I wasn't aware there was something called live commentary, and yeah, hopefully now the comments are working. Let's see hopefully now the comments are working for everybody. Next time I'll check it first, I think. Oh, there's a very interesting YouTube, by the way, from AD Chowd, and this is amazing. This is amazing. I will actually tweet it right now. Oh yeah, so hi Fanny. So this hackathon is about helping people, homeless people. I'll put the link here. The bad news is that this one is closed. The good news is that it's not the last one. So I really recommend to subscribe to those these amazing friends, women who code. Right, that's their previous one. So and I also really recommend to. There was this MongoDB hackathon, which is coming on soon, but there were two of them. One was like happened before. Let me check. Atlas. So yeah, this one. That's so you can register for MongoDB Atlas. Yeah, so that, you're welcome, Fanny. And if you are interested, I'm looking for friends who will be like hackathon champions, because like this one, it's so the prizes here are like $1,000 for the first thing, and what is more important, you'll get connections. Like you'll have connections with people who are not even on LinkedIn maybe. And it's like, it's better than studying at Oxford for free, because these people, they're not teaching in Oxford. Most probably because they're busy with earning big bucks and helping people. Or maybe they do teach in Oxford. I do know some people who teach in universities and work at the same time. But basically, I would really suggest, if you want, I need somebody to support and champion this person, and so you'll be a leader who knows everything about hackathons all around the world. So let's say in your city, I don't know, let's say it's, I don't know, 1 million people. So how many people in your area know everything about hackathons which are available for people from a city? I don't know, it might be, for example, Lagos, Nigeria, right? Or it might be Edinburgh from Scotland, or it might be, I don't know, Ukraine, Kiev, anything, any place in the world. So, but how many people in this area, they know like 20 hackathons which will be happening now? So this is something cool, and you can create a lot of positivity around this stuff. In the beginning, I was telling that my goal is not to create an application here. My goal, and not to win the prize, I don't care. Well, of course, like my financial situation could be better and so on, but it's not about me. I think we have currently a very good idea. Maybe we won't be able to implement it, but we will be able to share it with people who care. And it's something which will help homeless. I cannot yet share the idea because, because it's hackathon. I cannot share it before it happens. But let's say we lose and like we don't write a single symbol. But what we can do after that, we can still go and investigate our idea further, and maybe talk to other hackathons to come, that we have an idea, it's like that, and we think that it's really needed in current economical situation to help people this way, and that let's make it as an idea for others to implement and at other hackathons, and let's see. So yeah, I hope that answers, that helps. Now, let me see. So now, what I was basically doing, because this is what's happening tomorrow, right? But this thing, so they're doing it with this amazing group who really want to, like, I'm part of them. They're amazing women who code. They support, they guide, they're just very good friends. And yeah, so I keep noticing that more and more people just there's so many good friends there basically. Yeah. So here it's previous hackathon for women who code, and for me it's the first hackathon, so I'm not really sure how how it goes. So I was thinking that maybe I can look at the previous solutions, slides, whatever, so at least I can have some understanding of what is going to happen. So yeah. So oh sorry about that. Oh, that's a friend. Okay, I'll just write that I'm streaming at the moment. Yeah. It's okay, I'll do it later. But yeah, I'll reply. Of course, it's a friend. You always reply friends. Now, yeah, sorry, for me as an autistic person, it's hard to, like, sometimes it's hard to understand, should I pick up the phone, not pick up the phone, or like, yeah. Let's see, so women who code, WWC code, they're inclusive. That's true, they're very inclusive. So yeah, there will be, yeah, they're inclusive. And it's not only London, they have many communities around the world, and because it's online, you can attend London or others. Well, yeah, code of conduct, be nice. Normally it is be nice. So yeah, because friends, the current situation in IT is, let's be very careful, but let's say that there's a huge space for improvement. I've been to National Computer Science Museum in Milton Keynes, and it's an amazing museum. It's this one, National Computer Science Museum, this one. And I was talking to, National Museum of Computing, I'm sorry. So I was talking to some guides there, and let's actually Google it here. And these friends, they said that, funny, of course, let's create a team. I already know one person, so who will be there, and I will be there. So, and I have 1,500 friends, actually more, because there's LinkedIn and stuff. So funny, let's make it happen. Just DM me and DM me in Twitter, and let's make it happen. So by the way, in hackathons, even if like you feel alone, still apply, because they will help you to find a team. Like when I was creating meetups, this together with open source thing. So that's okay. Let me see. So that was this one, and let me see. My events, and maybe it was there. Maybe so that's mine. So that's our. Depends how I put it. So when I was doing it more actively, I actually haven't been to this event, but I know it's great. It was great. So and this picture is actually created by a friend of mine, Coyote. I think he is from Nigeria, but I'm not sure. Basically, at one of the sessions, it was, I think, about DevOps and open source. So we had 3 amazing people meet there. I think one is I don't remember exactly countries, but one person was from UK, one from Nigeria, and one probably from Ghana. I'm not sure. And I was like, friends, what would be the possibility of you meeting each other if you didn't come here? It's like zero. It's like very low probability because that's how you find people who care. You go to the groups which care and you find people who care. So if you go to MongoDB Hackathon and apply, my Twitter is Nikita Koslev, same as Twitter is Koslev, same as the beginning of my name on the channel. So yep, and there's so many things to like. Fanny, don't let anybody stop you. Like just because you came to this stream, I can say that you can do so well in tech if you are not already doing very well there. And that's the only thing I'm doing. I'm actually showing people that you are all amazing and you all can do so good in IT, because IT is huge and there are so many things to do. So anyway, let's go back to this thing. So this one, right? So diverse women to Excel, that's good, that's good. There's a lack of such communities still, unfortunately. So yeah, this guy from National Museum of Computing, he was saying that approximately till 70s, the ratio of women to men, I'm not saying it was diverse, I'm just saying that ratio women to men was like 50-50 in companies he worked for, and like after 80s, in the end of 80s, we messed it up. And yeah, so I see current state as not normal one, because women are doing so well on computers, and like everybody is doing so well, and that's it. We just, as I see it, it's my personal opinion, there are some artificial barriers and artificial reasons which can be fixed, and they should be fixed. So yeah, so he's so good. Yeah, so this one, yeah, it is good. So yeah, let me see, where's my channel? Yeah. Now let's see, let's back. So we're just reviewing the previous hackathon, right? So maybe they will use something like these slides now. I don't know, but sorry, I'm a bit sick. I mean, I'm not talking about my autism. I'm not sure if autism is actually sickness or not. Probably it is a state of mind. So, hunger and nutrition. Oh, this one. So, you see, they had homelessness. So, yeah, our friends, they're staying for the right causes. Women who quote, you are amazing. Like, you are amazing. I mean it. And there are different tech stacks and stuff, but let's see. Okay. So it was slightly longer. Well, this time it's 1 day, but before it used to be like 5-8 days, right? Okay, so there was a Slack channel for us last time, right? Let's see, what can I do there? Oh. No, obviously it's closed. The channel itself is closed. Now let's see. Let's see. And by the way, Fanny, I'm not sure if I pronounce your name right. If you see anything like interesting, if you learn anything, or if it's totally boring, I would really suggest you make content about it, because a lot of people, they really, I was like that. I didn't think that I have something to share, but the thing is that you are currently privileged. You have a computer, you know English, you know so many things, and there are so many people for whom you are a role model, and that's not something I can do, because well, I'm from a very poor background, but it happened like years ago, and I improved my situation right now. So, and I'm not, let's say, for example, I'm not from Edinburgh. So if I was to help people in Edinburgh, which I really would like to do, we were working with a charity there, open source charity in Scotland. So it's better so people will follow people who have closer everything to them than others, because, for example, I have friends in Gambia, and some of them have like 100 kilobit connections, internet connections. So when they are sharing their experience, others will learn a lot more, other people in Gambia, from them than from me, because I will be trying to share with them experience which is most useful for the place they start from. But the people who already walked this route from Gambia and they share openly, they will create much higher quality, even if they don't know programming as well as I do. I'm not saying I know it well, but and probably especially if they don't know as much as I do, because then beginners will see that it's possible. But that's totally different talk. I have a meetup on a Twitter space actually on Monday in the morning. So, and then I will try to set another one in the evening of some day. I'm not sure yet which one. So you can check my Twitter profile for the space, and and then there I will talk how to create a job yourself, how to create an internship, how to start working for NASA in 5 minutes. You can actually start creating stuff for NASA, and basically I'll be answering all the questions, whatever you ask. Now, so communication is fine, team formation, team lead. So yeah, so yeah, Yaroslavna might be team lead. It's women who code is not about me, right? It's so much bigger. So I would really prefer a woman to lead it, especially given that Yaroslavna is she's an amazing person. She did charity and stuff, so she's good. Let's see. Brand new project featuring a social cause and using at least one. Okay, that we can do. But I think so. Oh, so there will be. Oh, this is good. So you see, previous time they were sharing tickets to a conference, and this is big. And the t-shirt's also cool, because who knows, maybe some girl will see you in this t-shirt and she'll understand she can do very well in IT. So, yes, let me see. Workshops. Pada is defined. Choosing a topic. Okay. Oh. Okay. Graphical user interface. I don't really know what is graphical user interface in terms of like how to design it. So yeah, this is good. So we could just create a website, to be honest. We could just create a website. Now let's see. So bots. Oh, we can create a bot. Okay, that's interesting. I need to send it to my friend. So yeah, we shouldn't be doing like separated. So team, generally speaking, teams beat geniuses. But it's always for people who obviously so it's called Hackathon Social Good, and last time it was is it social something? Yeah. Now hub. Okay. Yeah, my friends, they actually said they like it. They like the link. Let me actually send them live in the moment reviewing stuff. So you see, I didn't code a single bit, but the stuff I'm doing, it's actually, well, it's actually the idea is that I can show others how to benefit, how to not benefit, how to create something in hackathons, even if you think that, even if you think you cannot code. So that's Hacktoberfest, that's okay. So they have a lot of repos. There was Force for Good, I think, right? I think it was Hackathon for Social Good 2022. So social good. Okay. Topics. Let's see. What about these guys? Because I'm trying to find repos which are tagged with this stuff. So if I tweet now, and yeah, raw sourcing, so that's fine. Oh, this is interesting. This is interesting. November 15th. Consultants, that's all good. Now, let's do it this way. A woman who called, right? Yeah, you see this bell matters because when I am checking my notifications, unfortunately, I have really little. My time is limited. What I'm doing, I'm doing it in my own time. So, although I'm divorced, it's still I'm a bit unwell with my clinical depression and stuff. That's life, but I'm doing what I can, and I'll try to do more, or rather higher quality and more. So let me see, that's career navigation, that's good, but I want the hackathon. Oh, this is good. This is good. Oh. Okay. Woman who code hackathon. Okay, will we find something? Oh, that's women in tech, women who code. Let's see. But to be honest, I'm quite comfortable now with the upcoming stuff. So I will probably check it here. Okay, and I will probably check yeah, so this time, yeah, actually, yeah, in MongoDB, it might be quite a good idea. And please don't write what is the idea in the open till you go to the hackathon. Oh, well, actually, I don't think somebody will steal it, but still, like your choice. But animal conservation, this is big. I mean, this is big. There are TED talks about that. This can be big. This is big because this stuff matters, and you'll meet so many people if you start doing it. And come to and let's talk and catch up as because for example you can give talks for women who code, you can give talks to London Java community with friends. So although it's not London and it's not Java anymore, it's all about community. So I did talks about burnout, and I did talks about open source. Some senior architect, he did a talk about Tai Chi and about software. So like different talks, I mean, so it can be fishing or it can be animals and conservation. There will be a lot of people interested in this stuff. You can just, and we train you. So it's all for free, by the way. So it's 7 minutes talk, actually 5 minutes and 2 minutes to answer question. So the idea is that we help people to start speaking, because a lot of people, they don't understand how amazing you all are, how amazing are the people who care. So I'm not sure I will actually find today. I want topics. There's two, right? Social good, but I thought maybe they have a tweet or something. Do they have a hackathon social good? So this will be hackathon social good, right? GitHub. Yeah, so it's here. Okay, so it's all here. So to be honest, I couldn't find the project there, and I don't really want to, I want to find it, but obviously we cannot steal anything. That will be a very wrong thing to do. The idea was to, you see, there's women who code Taipei. I don't know, I don't remember where exactly Taipei is. Taiwan, okay. Hello friends from Taiwan. Thank you very much for creating this community. This is big. And women who go to Tokyo, and there's so many places. So funny, you can be one in your location. I don't know exactly where you're located, but well, it's a friend of mine. He was like, he wanted to learn another computing language because he couldn't progress with Java in his place, and then I realized that he is living in one of the biggest cities in India, and nobody there is teaching people how to do Java in open source, how to like develop Java with open source and stuff like that. And I was like, mate, you can become the first ever person in the 20 million city, start doing this stuff. And you want to do what? You want to learn another language, and instead of that, you're just running away from the problem. It's interesting. So this is, but I want it to be sorted by recently updated, right? That's interesting. Because I have no idea how to create websites these days. This is good. So yeah, well, unfortunately I'm getting tired, and I'm not sure how much I will be able to do tomorrow, but I'll try to do what I can. And oh, so not like they're such a good friend. They're so good. They support a lot of causes, and they're nice. Really, you see that it's a verified one. So yeah. So unfortunately, I didn't find. I didn't find existing projects from. Well, that's Hacktoberfest. That's different. Um, but I've met Funny, and that's much better than any application I could find. And yeah, and we'll see how it goes. So in our time, I'll be running another stream. This time on pointers and Golang, and oh, I don't know how will I do it because I'm so tired. But no worries, and yeah, let's see how it goes. And Women Who Code is an absolutely amazing movement organization to follow. And if they don't exist in area where you are, well, make it happen. Come to them and start participating in remote stuff and ask them how to make it happen locally. And rural sourcing, well, you have very good friends, so I think you're doing something very right. I don't know much about you as a company, but creating things like this is amazing. Thank you so much, friends. Like, really. And yeah, basically that's it. Just want to wish you a good evening or good time of the day, because we are all around the globe now. And let's get the party started. So tomorrow is this hackathon. It's first but not last for us. So let's have fun and build relationships and make this world a much better place, because we can, and that's the right thing to do. So thank you very much, and see you, and talk to you later, friends. Bye.